Hello, we are on day 4. You know what to do. Make sure you do the quick tens for 110. How many ones are there? 0. And our Bible passage, 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 31. Whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. Good job. Let's work on the next page. You should have watched the Bible story. And then you know what to do. Read it many times till you can go quickly. Sight words, blends, and we have 3 blends. We're good at 3-letter blends. Let's try it together. Going across today. Swa, skr, squa, stir, spur. Do it up and down. Go to the bottom. Fill out the sentences. On day 4, you're going forward and backward using 5s and 10s. Here you can see it goes 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. So you have to back up what comes before 75. What goes after 80? Again, you're using quick tens this time to figure out how many numbers are on this. Are not quick tens, 10 frames, I mean. So how many numbers are on the 10 frame? Simple, Simon. Now here you're going to draw the alligator eating the number that is bigger. You can circle the larger number, or is it 6 or 15, or draw the alligator. I'm going to show you both ways. I like alligators who open their mouth and they're eating the bigger number. Or you could just circle the number that's bigger because it has more tens. If you want to know who's greater, just think of the alligator and look at the tens. Chomp, chomp. Look at the tens. Chomp, chomp. If the tens are the same, the ones are the game. Look at the ones. Chomp, chomp. Look at the ones. Chomp, chomp. And circle who's greater. You remember that. Do that later. It's time to read. Here we go. Shag the big pup. Shag the big pup is not lush. Lush means rich and fancy. Shag the big pup gets fish in a dish. A poem uses a capital letter at the beginning of each line, and even though it's not the end of a sentence right here, it's only a comma, a poem uses a capital at each line. That's why they have capitals. Okay. Shag the big pup is not in a rush. Shag the big pup gets a nap in the shed. Shag the big pup does not hush. Shag the big pup does not shush. Oh, read it with an exclamation point. Does not shush. Good job. Mark, you read with your teacher. Read it to your family and read it alone. Good job. We're looking at firefighters today on this page. You are going to label, which is a form of writing. Here we have a firefighter, and they do good jobs in our community. Don't just say they put out a fire. We already know that. But where do they put out fires? What else do they do to help our community? First, you label by writing the word from this word bank or box on the thing where it belongs. They are boots, uniform, hat, water, hose. Put those words, cross it out when you're done with each one. where they belong and tell me down here using sentences, a complete sentence with a capital letter and a punctuation at the end, what does a firefighter do? Try to tell me more than one thing if you can. Our word of the day is, color of the day, you got it, purple. Write the sentence of what is purple. It's another day of divide into syllables. And you know how to do that. I told you all about it yesterday. Finally, the story is, what should Darla do? She has to make decisions, and you're trying to help. At the end, what did Darla see on Sophia's front yard? You can't hardly see it there. Her front lawn. There it is. She saw something, and it caused her to have a lot to think about. You see if you can put what she saw. And have a great day. I sure hope to see you back in class soon.